Okay, let's take out our morning work folders and turn to literacy number 6. Today we have a new set of instructions, so we're going to be doing some new activities. So, first thing we need to do is grab a crayon, and let me read the word. It says, I can color the picture that matches the word. So here's the word on the sign, and it's B-A-G, bag. So I have to look at these pictures and figure out which one is bag. Easy peasy. So I'm going to choose a red, and I'm going to color the bag red. Okay, you better be coloring way nicer than Mrs. Plowman. This is some seriously messy coloring. So hopefully yours is way prettier than mine. Okay. Down here, it says I can find the sight word. So we have a word search here, and we're looking for this sight word. This sight word we have had, it's she. She. We have that SH digraph, 2 letters that make one sound, and then the E at the end of an open syllable that says its name, she. All right, so we're just looking for the letters S-H-E, and we find them. We're going to just circle them. So it's right there. Here's another one up here. And there's one down here in the corner, and I think that is all. I don't see any more. Okay, so 3 times. Down here, we're going to count the number of syllables in each picture. So remember, syllables are the number of vowel sounds we hear in each word, okay? The first picture is a hat. I only hear one vowel sound, ah, ah, so there's only one syllable, hat. Okay, so I got to color in just one. Okay, next I have penguin. There are 2 vowel sounds in here. Pen, I have the eh, and then I have win at the end. So there are 2 syllables in this one. And then I have mittens again. I and in. Mitten, 2 syllables. All right. Easy peasy. Good work. Let's flip this page over and do our math side. Okay, so turn your page over. Make sure the ornament says Math 6, okay? We're going to continue counting on, only we have a different image here that we're counting on. And instead of trains, we've switched to light bulbs. So they've given me 2. I need to just count on from 2. So after 2, we would write 3. Then we have 4, 5, and 6. Okay. If I look at the next thing, it says I can show the numbers in a 10 frame. Okay, so I'm going to get a nice big fat crayon because I want it to not take very long to fill this in. So they've given me the number 11. I know 11, if I look at this, it's a 2-digit number. I have 1 set of 10s and 1 extra. So my first 10 frame is completely full. That gives me 10. And then I have that 1 extra. I'm going to make it red just so it stands out, okay? So there's my 10 and 1 extra, 11. For the next one, I have to make 15. So again, in my 10s place, I have 1, and then I have 5 extras. So I've got to fill in a whole 10 frame. This gives me my 10, and then I have 5 more that I need to add. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 10 plus 5 more, 15. Okay. Down here, what I need to do, it says I can color, count, and circle the group that has more. So I'm just going to start out by counting both groups, okay? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go ahead and write that number here in the corner. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is more? 5 or 6? 6 is more than 5. So I need to circle this group, and then I need to color them in. Okay? Please take your time and color nicely. Don't make yours look like a mad, crazy Christmas ornaments. You wouldn't want Christmas ornaments that look like this on your tree. So take the time to make them nice and pretty. When you're all done, you can close your morning work folder and you are done for the day. Good job.